I'm gonna show you a few short codes for T-Mobile here on my iPhone 7. These are very helpful. Say for instance, you wanna identify your phone number. Only thing you wanna do is go here and dial pound 686 pound. And what that is pound 686 is MTN. Just hit send. When you hit send, it's going to show you your phone number here. So this is J. Harvey's Grill. If you need any catering or anything, we out of Houston, give us a call. And I'm going to show you another one. Say for instance, you want to check your balance. Your balance, you hit pound 225 pound. And the 225 is BAL. You hit send or call, and it's going to show you your balance. All right, I'm going to show you a couple of more. Say you want to check your minutes. Your minutes, you hit pound 646 pound. And the 646 is MIN for minutes. And hit send. And it's going to show you your minutes. Okay, let's do another one. We want to check our messages balance. So the only thing you want to do is hit pound 674 pound. And the 674 stands for MSG for messages. Hit send, and it'll pop up here on your screen. All right, let's do one more. The web, you want to hit pound 932 pound, and the 932 stands for WEB, web data. So you hit send, and that's it. I thought it was pretty neat. Those are a few, but it's a lot more. But I have a link to T-Mobile short codes in my description. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.